Hi everyone, my name is Howard.
And I'm Stephanie.
And we are here at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay for one reason and one reason only. And what is that reason, Stephanie?
It's to ride Iron Gwazi. Guys, I am terrified. I don't even know if I can speak or think straight.
So Iron Gwazi is a new roller coaster here at Busch Gardens. We are both roller coaster people. I would say me a little bit more than Stephanie, but we're so excited. We're nervous. How nervous are you?
Oh no, I'm terrified. I just need to get it out of the way. Like, I probably will not remember recording this right now. I'm like a little bit blacked out, you know, from nerves.
Are we excited?
Yes.
Are we ready?
No.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. All right, here we go. This is nothing.
It's gonna be easy. Easiest roller coaster ever. Okay. We both wore black so you wouldn't see our sweat, our nervous sweat.
Sure did.
This is it, just right here.
Is it the drop?
This is the drop.
We should have like pre-gamed with other roller coasters. No. I'm not looking up. I'm not.
You have to look up.
No, I'm not.
Oh god. No, now I'm nervous.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, this is nothing.
This is easy. This is absolutely nothing.
We're halfway through the worst part.
Oh god. Okay. It's gorgeous.
Yeah.
We can literally see down that camera. Oh god. Alright.
Yeah.
We got this.
I'm closing my eyes.
Don't close your eyes.
I'm closing them. We haven't fallen yet!
Oh my god. Oh my god.
No.
Oh my god.
We survived it. We survived it.
That wasn't bad at all.
That wasn't bad at all. Pro tip, close your eyes in the beginning.
Don't close your eyes.
Close them. Oh my god, it's so good.
My mouth is dry.
No, my mouth is so
My
dry.
eyes are watering.
We made it! We made it!
Did not expect that. Okay. So we rode twice. What did you think?
First time, loved it. Absolutely loved it. Flawless.
Right.
Better than I could have ever imagined. Second time, my stomach wasn't ready for it, but it was still just as fun. What did you think?
I think it's my new favorite roller coaster, definitely in Busch Gardens.
Yeah.
It used to be
Kumba.
Kumba. It used to be Kumba. Now I think this one for sure. I mean, it's so intense. There were multiple times in the ride where I felt like my soul left my body.
Oh yeah.
And I
It
just,
definitely
like
did.
when you're going up that hill for, it seems like hours, you just start to contemplate everything and like what you didn't do in your life, what you did do in your life. And it's just so much fun from beginning to end.
Any of that? That was not, my experience is completely different than that.
Okay.
My thought process was, I hope I don't die, I hope I don't die, I hope I don't die. Honestly, I think I am gonna side with you. I think it might be my new favorite roller coaster.
Definitely.
I'm trying to get my life together, my thoughts together, everything together. But while I do that, you guys should definitely go check us out at Stud Studio in Tampa Bay on all social platforms for more fun things happening around Tampa Bay, like the opening of Iron Gwazi.
Bye guys.
Bye.